So I have got some black Primo that I conditioned and rolled to a 3 on my Atlas machine. And I'm using the stencil that came in this kit, and this is called Rose Garden. And I'm going to roll it firmly into the clay sheet because I want it really embedded in that clay sheet. Now I'm going to trim off the excess. And I'm going to use, this is Brilliance Galaxy Gold permanent ink. You could even take the ink pad itself and then just clean it off the stencil. I chose to use pearl alcohol inks for the next sets of color. You can choose whatever types of inks or colors that you like. I started by using this same technique of just dropping it on with the green, and then came back with this lighter blue and just scattered it here and there. I'm going to add a little bit more green to this one. Whoops. So much for my control. All right. Now let's see what happens. Okay, I got a little lift, but that's all right. I can fix that. That is really cool. I'm anxious to see how that bakes up. I'm going to hit it with a heat tool a little bit just to set that ink. That will set both the Brilliance ink and the alcohol ink a touch, so that when I press down those areas that lifted, I'm not removing too much ink. I can put a backer on these, but I don't want to muddy this up. I think it's really pretty this way. All right, I'm going to use some different cutters. This is one of the fan set from CreateAlong. I'll start with that one. And here they are on the tile before baking. Bake them according to the manufacturer's instructions and let them cool. Here they are after baking. You can see that those colors really did stay pretty well on that gold ink. Now those inks will stay on your clay whether or not you choose to add a glazing coat of some type. I chose to use UV resin on my different components. Then I assembled them to make earrings using gold findings and an assortment of beads that coordinated with the colors of inks that I chose. I'm Cindi McGee, and I hope you enjoyed exploring using inks of different types with the stencil included in the Coming Up Roses CreateAlong box. Remember to share your projects in our CreateAlong Polymer Clay Tribe Facebook group.